It was devastating, to be fair, to start with, completely just closing down overnight. But we have been doing frozen pies that we've done for quite a number of years now, and we expanded that rapidly.
When the whole COVID-19 thing happened, we decided we had to be open just to survive cost-wise. One of the things that came into play was our pizza oven, which I made 2 years ago, which has become a unique selling point for us. And we just adapted to making takeaways and buying takeaway boxes.
When we first got the announcement and Boris told us we had to close, it was pretty devastating, really. The community were great though. We had people offering to help, if we ever had any problems, you would just contact them. It was lovely. Basically, we had about 3 days where we thought the world had ended, and then we decided we weren't going to let the world end, and we started a village shop.
So my role was one of an initial 3 people who, for prescriptions from the GP surgery, which is about 10 minutes drive away from here. Initially we did that for a lot of the older residents in the village. We also did a mail shop around the whole village with a leaflet where everyone could write down what they needed, and we would go and pick that up, bring it back to the pub, and again they would do the whole order and call in residents to deliver it as and when people could.
We felt that our customers needed something that was convenient and easy to eat, and our local community, all of the people that live around us, also sort of were asking for these, so we ramped that up super fast as we could see lockdown was coming in, and we used the same recipes that we use in the restaurant, and we've just made them and frozen them down just to make easy recipes and easy food for people at home.
So what we did when lockdown happened was we made sure that we had systems put in place where only 2 people could be in the building at one time. We arranged slots for people to come as opposed to them just coming off the street. So people would ring up, they could pay by card as well. We bought in good quality, sustainable takeaway boxes that we could use, which would keep things hot for longer. We basically just had to learn a whole new language, which we're glad to say we were lucky because we'd already been doing takeaways on a Friday nights, and it was easier for us to adapt because of that.
It does need to be ongoing. We're not out of the woods yet by any means. So, I really think that local businesses need support. Choose local business. Don't shop supermarkets.